Wow.
Pretty cool, right?
That's crazy. I can't believe it.
So what you'll see on that front view is the narrowing. that
Yeah.
takes place.
Yeah, I can't believe.
And it's still swollen.
Yeah, I mean already, even if it's swollen, there's still a big difference. Yeah, I'm excited, thank you.
On profile, the nose just looks in better balance.
Yeah,
It looks softer, and you remember the grafting we did up here, so you have a
yeah,
smooth transition.
wow. Wow, but that's all I can say really.
Yeah. I think you can see it a little better on this view.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, it's just much more balanced.
Right.
Yeah. Wow.
And then on this bottom view, you see the narrowing.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you did a good job.
Well, thanks. You did a good job too. Take good care of yourself.
It's just something I've thought about for years. I'm in my early 30s, so why not do it? You know, I got a stable job and I can actually afford it more now. So, yeah, I don't regret it at all. People could tell something, they couldn't put their finger on it. You know, they could tell something was different, but not exactly sure. Which is what I preferred. You know, I didn't want something so drastic that it changed my whole face. It's just something that's more balanced and just goes with my face more. So Dr. Garcia was the first one I really looked at, and I looked at the reviews and everything that he had online, and I felt confident already. But don't rush anything. Just look into the surgeon and their results, the reviews, and yeah, and don't be scared to do it either, because it really the process was so it was easy. I didn't have any complications or anything. So again, even when no one can really know what changed, you know that it's changed and you feel better about yourself. So that exudes outward. So your confidence it is on display more than it was before. So yeah, I definitely feel more confident.